Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this ponytail. I have never did something like this before on my channel, and this is the first time I'm going to be trying to do a ponytail. And trust me, it was a struggle, but I feel like once I practice and I keep practicing, I'm going to get better at it, and I'm going to keep practicing so I could get better at it. But this is how it looks. So if you guys want to see how I got this ponytail all by myself, especially like if you want to do a ponytail for the holiday season or your birthday or something, it's best to do it by yourself. Like, look how it looks, and this is like my first attempt. So I'm gonna show you from me blow drying my hair, straightening my hair, and then putting it up in the ponytail, so you guys are gonna see the whole thing. And yeah, I will talk to you at the end of the video. Hey y'all, so I came up with the smart idea that I should silk press my hair, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair because I already washed it. If you haven't seen my natural hair wash day routine, I will link it up in the eye above, and if I don't link it in the eye above, I will have it in my description box so you guys can check it out. I already have a silk pressing video, but the video is when I had my burgundy hair, and I really love that video, but I feel like I get a little bit more sad when I watch it because I miss my burgundy hair. So I'm just going to, I don't know if I'm going to, I don't know, just stay tuned. So this is how my hair looks. I don't know if I'm going to straighten it. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to put these up out the way with a duck bell clip. I'm going to dry this side. I'm using my Beyond the Zone heat protectant, and this is all that I'm going to use in my hair. Twist it up so you don't lose that moisture. Brush it out. Pull it mad straight. And blow dry. I'm blow drying on medium heat, low speed. Guys, I've been testing out my mom's hair product, so bomb. Like, I literally brush my hair out, no shedding coming out of my hair. Like, my hair is mad soft. She used it on her hair and my brother's hair. My brother has like a 4B 4A type texture. I have like a 4B 4C type texture. My mom has a 4C texture, and it makes your hair so soft. All of our hair it gets mad soft. So in the works, really coming soon. So I'm not gonna force my hair to be straighter, but this is as straight as it is right now, and I feel like this is good enough for me. So if you guys want to see a more detailed tutorial on how I blow dry my hair, like the whole thing, I will have it linked up on the eye above over here. You guys can check that. I just wanted to show you guys these curls real quick. Well, look at them. And this is no product. Okay, let me hurry up and dry it before it dries poofy. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you really quick. After I started using my mom's product that she made, look at my ends of my hair. I haven't trimmed my hair in, I don't remember, whichever video was my how I trim my hair video or something like that. That was the last time I trimmed my hair, and I haven't since. But since I started using my mom's product, look at the ends of my hair. Like, it's mad thick. I am gonna trim it off a bit, but I just wanted to see how thick the ends of the hair is. Notice a big difference. Like, this is crazy. Like, look at the ends. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and finish blow drying my hair. Guys, I'm finally finished blow drying my hair. So all I'm gonna do is flat iron it. I wanted to show you guys what I use to flat iron my hair. I do not put any extra products in my hair because it's gonna weigh it down. Most of the times I just use this Diane thick rattle comb, and it's a heat resistant comb. It looks like this. Or sometimes I use this one. It has the big teeth and then it has like the small teeth to chase by itself. I use this one as well. I'm also going to be using some duck bell clips to clip my hair out of the waist, just so I can do section by section. And then I'm also going to use heat protectant. I'm just going to spray a little tiny bit all over the hair just one last time to do the flat ironing. For my edges, I am going to use red flat iron. It's this tiny one, just to get my edges. It doesn't really have a heat setting, it just has an on and off thing. So yep. Babyliss Nano Pro 1.5 inch flat iron, and I'm going to be using this today to flat iron my hair. Yeah, I'm just going to turn it on, and the setting for the Babyliss, I put it on 45 on the number 45, just to make it quicker and hotter, because I'm only going to be doing one pass, so I just put it on 45. It goes up to 50.
Eric is not back. Does it mean that he has gotten money to go into business with his friend?
So a little fun fact about me. Trust and believe I'm watching Dollywood. Look, let me show you on the computer. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail. Super easy. I'm going to just do it in sections while I spray it with the Got2b spray. Alright you guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you to comment down below some, what should you comment down below? Comment down below any Christmas type emoji you want to comment. You can comment Santa Claus if there's Santa Claus. You can comment reindeer. You can comment snowflake. You can comment a snowman. Just comment anything so I'll know that you got to this point in the video. And turn on your post notification. If you don't have the post notification bell turned on, please turn it on so you will be notified every single time that I post a video. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, tell me that down below. Also tell me what other styles you guys want me to do to my natural hair before I braid it back down and put my wig on. And I will most definitely do it. This was a challenge, but I'm really happy that I did this hairstyle because I never did this hairstyle ever before, and it came out pretty amazing. It's a little bit like, the Got2b is a little bit like white, but if I spray my hair with some hairspray, I think that oil from the hairspray would make it nice and shiny and take all that whiteness away. So yeah, this is it. This is how my hair came out. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you guys for every one of you that genuinely support me and come back every single time. Even if I'm posting a video that's not hair related, you guys still come back. I truly appreciate you, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Also, if you guys want to see me try on all my lip combinations that I wear on a regular basis, my nude lip combinations, and I also showed you this lip as well, like a bonus type of thing in the video, I will have that video linked up in the eye above. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one.